angled up. Who needs to see buildings anyways? Right? Ugh. No. This is all about nature. Today, we're having a thunderstorm. These clouds here, as you can see, just kind of started pouring in over the last of the summer's blue sky, and they're really bringing the party. The thunder is quite impressive. The first strike I heard, actually, I mean, there didn't even seem to be any preamble to it. No prequel to it. Just straight up, boom, right overhead. There's still rumblings going on in different directions. I think nature is showing us how it invented the word blitzkrieg. I'm waiting for lightning here. Waiting for thunder too, actually. And I would make a great weatherman. Waiting for thunder. Come on, baby. Shake what the weather gave you. There is a bit of a pressure system going on overhead. I have a slight, feels like pressure building up behind one of my eyes, probably sinuses, right in the temple area. A friend of mine reported that she even got a nosebleed. This pressure transition was pretty abrupt, and the temperature change is drastic. Rain is already coming down pretty good. It started out as a few sprinkles, and now it's kind of building up as the darker gray, those beautiful slate gray numbers go over us. Yeah, that's the last little blue sky. Say goodbye, summer. Springtime's still around. So much for your warm-up. I'm not that much into summertime. I'm waiting for the thunder to build up again. Really want to get that on film. If you could put up a little bit more of my talking beforehand. Maybe we need to pull a provoke. What do you say? In paranormal terms, a provoke is something said to provoke a reaction out of the forces of the powers that be, all too powerful. So how about I try this? Let's see here. What do you tell a storm? Hey, weather, you're a real wuss. Triple H should have played Thor in the Thor movie. Your mother was an SPD? Halle Berry made a great Storm in the X-Men movie. What was that? Irritable bowel syndrome from Pikachu? Nothing working here. I've heard louder thunder from dropping a box of styrofoam popcorn. Wow, the storm is a real wuss. Weak. Weak. Boy, are you weak. If I was as weak as you, I'd dry up and blow away on the next available desert wind. Gotta be something that we could do to say to cause the thunder to happen again. How about you're a butt munch? If you don't thunder again, I'm going to tell all the other weather systems what a complete you're so inferior you couldn't even fill a windsock. Man. How about this? this. What was that? A sob backfiring? I guess that's why they call it a sob. That's the noise that people make when they realize how much money they spent on one of those. Oh, there we go. It sounded like a sob backfire. You didn't like that, did you? What was that, Rosie O'Donnell belly flopping? What could you tell a storm to set it off? Just yell at the screen and we'll see if we can get that to happen. Yell at the screen. Just say something very insulting and make that thunder fire at one off. And post in comments on this video what you said to get the thunder going. Never mind, this is pre-recorded. Just go with it. Smelling like thunder here. Kind of that ozone in the air feeling. Oh, here's one. Here's something to provoke the storm. That wuss from In Living Color is going to play Electro in the next Spider-Man movie. Oh, what was that? Mad Dog tastes better than Thunderbird? Ever ready is neither? Neither ever nor ready. Well, ain't that something? I guess storms around here don't really can't perform on demand, can they? Maybe the pressure's too much. Oh, don't worry, it happens to everyone. Well, heck. I'm going to give this till 8 minutes, and then I'm going to call it off for the wimpy little wannabe storm that it is. A few cracks and a few pops, and ultimately your average bowl of Rice Krispies is a little bit more exciting than this. All right.